Hey friends, today we learn how to create TikTok account. For that, first of all, open TikTok. Click on profile icon in the corner below. Click on sign up. We can create account on TikTok with the help of phone or email. Simply click on use phone or email. Today we will use email for creating account. Simply click on enter your email address. Then click on next. Place the picture in empty part. Then create a password. Then click on next. Enter your date of birth. Then click on next. And you successfully create TikTok account. If you like our video, please subscribe.